What is going on, my friends, and welcome back to Terry's Theories. I am Terry. Alright guys, man, thanks for coming out, thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you'd like to donate to the channel, man, that would be outstanding. I've got PayPal, I've got Patreon. Every little bit will help. I'm planning on purchasing some new toys for the channel, IR, and maybe some night vision to see what else we can capture. Speaking of capture, with the Nikon, I've caught something pretty interesting. The last couple of days, I've been recording the sun, the moon, I've been chasing jets and chemtrails, all that cool stuff, and I found something really interesting on the surface of the sun. I found two things. But the first thing that I found were sunspots, some very large ones, and we got some really good close-up detailed shots of these sunspots, and I want to share that with you, I guess, starting now. Alright, so here we go. So right here you can see I've got two, or actually four, you can really see there, and we got one large one and several smaller ones. The best way I can describe a sunspot to you is, imagine shaking up a soda and then the cap of the soda being the sunspot. Now when these sunspots hold back immense pressure, and then over time you'll have an eruption, which is a CME, a coronal mass ejection, and that's when it produces solar storms. Now the surface of the sun is about 5,800 degrees Kelvin, and now these sunspots are immensely cooler. They run about 3,000 degrees Kelvin, give or take, and they show up darker because, well, they're just cooler. Now sunspots kind of remain a mystery with science. Believe it or not, they don't really have a solid grasp on it. We know that it has something to do with the magnetic field of the sun that produces these, and we really don't know why. Now, while I was recording this, I caught a couple of anomalies, maybe some asteroids, possibly a UFO. Now, a lot of times when I show you these, people say they're birds. Now, guys, when I record the sun, I use a filter, and that filter is extremely dark. The easiest way I can break it down for you is like sunglasses for your camera. Birds, insects, things like that show up black, dark black. Now anything else is producing light or reflecting light. Now what I'm about to show you is going to show up at the bottom of your screen. You're about to see a quick one shoot by, shooting straight up. It's fast when you see that one right there. Now the one I want to show you is on the bottom of your screen. It comes in about midway and then goes up to the right. You're about to see it right here. You see it come in and shoot out. And so to show it again here in slow motion. Now people are going to say, well, those are flapping wings. This object, to me, in my opinion, is tumbling. What is it? I don't know. It's probably some type of debris, maybe an asteroid or something like that. But I thought it was pretty cool. And it also reminds me of one I caught a few months ago right here. Now this one was caught, I forgot what month it was, but it looks similar. Now I actually turned this one into MUFON, and I had one of the investigators contact me, and he ended up getting in contact with somebody else, and they decided what we called, or what I called, was a asteroid, a very large one. He even described it as planet size. So I don't know if that one is the same size, but it appears to be doing the same thing. It looks the same, and I just thought it was cool, to be able to catch something like that, and I wanted to bring it to you guys to let you see it as well. Now back to these sunspots, man. These things could be thousands of miles. These could be planet size as well, and most likely they are. So a lot of pressure building there, and eventually, boom, we have a CME, coronal mass ejection, a solar flare, and there we go. So I thought that was cool. I also took some video of the moon here recently too, and I wanted to share a couple of short clips, what I thought was the best of the video, and I wanted to share those with you. I got 3 of them, more than about a minute long, but just the parts of the video that I thought were really good, that had a lot of detail, and I wanted to share that with y'all. And top of the moon there, and you can see all these ridges and mountain ranges, man. Can you imagine being able to just go and explore? How cool that would be. Or do you think somebody already has? You know how old the moon is and how old the universe is. Who are we to say that there's not something there? Now, a lot of people do say that we have bases and there's an alien presence. I mean, there's got to be some type of artifact up there. And there's been a lot of things seen, a lot of pictures of different objects seen, wheels and axles and even aliens and masks and possible buildings. Now, if even just one of those are real or legit sighting, man, how did they get there? Who put them there? Where did they come from? You know, was it us? Are they still there? I mean, there's all kinds of theories on the moon. You know, the moon is hollow. The moon is a spaceship. The moon was placed here, you know, just perfectly. And, you know, it controls the tides. What if we lost the moon? That would wreak havoc on planet Earth. I mean, the moon is just an amazing, mysterious thing that is 250,000 miles away from us. It's just out of reach. But, you know, we've been there. We've walked on it. Hopefully we'll go back. You know, I think whoever controls the moon controls the world. So if we could get a foothold there, whoever gets a foothold there controls the world, in my opinion. So very interesting. Very beautiful, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed Terry's Theories. Please like and subscribe, and donate if you can. Like I said, I got PayPal and Patreon, and I'm making a lot of great captures with this Nikon. I hope y'all are enjoying it. I enjoy showing them and taking it to you. And that's all I got for today, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Terry with Terry's Theories. Terry out.